then easy to design, then it is incorporated in the system level only. So actually, LDPC is a subclass of linear block code only. So first of all, before that, actually maybe if time permits, maximum I will try to cover for LDPC encoder and decoder. Maybe if time is there, then I will go for the standard array, either turbo or other coding techniques. So in LDPC stands for low density parity check codes only. This is also called as a subclass of linear block code. Actually, first research topic is error correcting codes, code design and the applications only. So almost all types of error control codes are used in 4G and 5G and almost all wireless applications, not only wireless, in optical wireless communication case also we are using for error control code, error control coding techniques. So recently most of the researchers are used for LDPC, turbo codes are mostly preferred because what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages, and comparison in between LDPC and turbos I will discuss further later. And this is one of the decoding techniques. The family of error correcting codes are basically there are two types of error control codes, block codes and the convolutional codes. Under block codes like LDPC code, BCH code and Reed-Solomon code and turbo code is also under block code category. In convolutional codes like optimum distance spectrum codes, rate comparable convolutional codes and the rate compatible puncturing codes and the nested convolutional codes. Not only these, many codes are there like polar codes or also popular one of the coding technique is polar codes. Actually, the main difference between the BCH code and the LDPC code means BCH and RS codes are non-binary coding techniques. And LDPC code and the turbo codes are binary coding techniques only. So nowadays it is easy for the binary coding techniques compared to the non-binary coding technique. But there are mathematical background is required for designing of BCH and RS codes. Like Galois field concept is very important for designing of BCH and RS codes. But in LDPC codes, it does not require any fields concept or it does not require any Galois field concept. Directly with the help of procedural steps to design of LDPC encoder and decoders only. So the first of all, the basic difference between LDPC codes and a normal block codes only. In LDPC means the length of the code word is very high, like minimum is for 1000 bits. In a normal block codes or a normal Hamming code 7,4, so the maximum length of code word is equal to only 7 bits. But in LDPC codes, the minimum length of the code word is 1000 bits is for higher data transmission case or a length of the code word is very high case. So this type of LDPC coding techniques is preferred. Even in BCH and RS are also used for higher length of block code cases only. We are using BCH and RS codes. And the normal block code's length is very less length of the code word only. And coming to the introduction of LDPC code, low density parity. LDPC stands for low density parity check code. So what is meant by why the name is called low density parity check? Sir, are you audible my voice?
Yes, madam.
Okay. what is meant by low density parity check codes? Low density refers to the characteristics of the parity check matrix. Characteristics of the, for any error control coding in a normal coding techniques or error control codes. So there are some matrix like parity check matrix, generator matrix, and the syndrome calculation or main parameters of coding techniques only. So especially in LDPC codes, so in the parity check matrix is important role in the designing of LDPC code. In parity check matrix, it contains, because this is a binary coding technique only, it contains only zeros and ones or binary bits. So in the parity check matrix, which contains less number of ones when compared to the zeros. So number of ones are less compared to the zeros in the parity check matrix. That's why the name is called low density. So the low density means it is how many number of ones, how many number of zeros in the parity check matrix. If one number of ones less compared to number of zeros in the parity check matrix. In any type of the LDPC parity check matrix, it contains few number of ones in the matrix compared to the number of zeros in the matrix only. That's why the name is called as low density parity check matrix. So this LDPC code is first introduced by Gallagher in the PhD thesis in 1960s. So even in the 1960 it is introduced, but still it is very powerful. One of the advanced and powerful coding technique is LDPC coding techniques. Recently, they are using, I think in ISRO applications or DRDO applications, they are using for LDPC turbo. In almost all applications, they are using for LDPC coding techniques only. And even in the 5G communication, they are using for LDPC coding techniques, LDPC and turbos also. So both are important, powerful coding techniques. Even in the longer lengths of block code, this is preferred. And after introducing in the thesis in 1960, it is rediscovered in mid-90s by R. Neil and Mackay at the Cambridge University. This is one of the best error correcting code in the present or in existence at present. It can achieve, like in the performance point of view, this LDPC coding can achieve turbo code like performance, and implementation cost is much lesser. Why LDPC code? So one of the main advantage for choosing this LDPC code is it is having excellent distance properties. The minimum distance in between code words is increases with n when column and row weights are held fixed only. So minimum distance, what is meant by minimum distance in any code word? So suppose for example the code word C is equal to 1010 is for the code word. So in that code word there are 4 bits in that code word. How many number of ones in that code word? Suppose 1010, there are 2 ones in that code word. The weight is equal to 2 only. And the second code word, suppose 1110 is for second code word. So in that code word, how many number of ones in that code word? Like 3 number of ones in that code word. Weight is equal to 3. So whatever code word has given, first to identify how many number of ones in that code word, so to write down the weights first. Out of all code word weights, what is the minimum number of weight is called as a minimum distance. So that is called as the minimum distance only. I will show you in the further slides how to calculate the distances also. Minimum distance means minimum weight of the code word. Actually, the decoding algorithm is one of the advantages for LDPC is excellent distance properties, and second advantage is decoding algorithm is a tractable decoding algorithm, and the low density nature of the parity check matrix. These are the reasons for choosing the LDPC code. And so before start designing of LDPC encoder and LDPC decoder, so there are some few concepts or few parameters are important to design this encoder and decoder. One is in a normal block code, the representation for block code is n comma k is the normal representation of any block code or a convolutional code, n comma k only. So n is block length or length of the block code is n, and k is equal to number of information bits only. In the normal or a general block code, convolutional code, and cyclic codes, general representation is n comma k only. But in LDPC code, the representation is general representation of LDPC code is n comma tc comma tr. This is the general representation of the LDPC code. N comma tc comma tr. N is block length and tc. The suffix c indicates column and r means it is a row only. How many number of ones in the column and how many number of ones in the row. N comma tc comma tr, where n is block length and tc is the number of ones in each column of matrix A or parity check matrix A, or H is the notation of parity check matrix. Whereas in TR stands for number of ones in each row of matrix is matrix is A only. How many number of ones in column and each column, how many number of ones in each row is the general representation of LDPC codes only. So let P is the density of parity check matrix. So the parity check matrix density means already we have discussed number of ones in the parity check matrix is less compared to number of zeros, that is the density of matrix. So TC is equal to P into n minus k. This is the general procedure for finding the number of information bits in the LDP. Sometimes if the number of information bits are not given, only length of the code word has given. How many parity bits and how many information bits and what is the length is determined. At least out of these three parameters, either length of the code word and number of information bits or number of parity bits, at least any one of the value has given, and we can easily calculate the remaining values only. Values means number, length of the code word or number of information bits or number of redundant bits or a parity bits. So, but if the number of information bits is not given, how to determine the number of information bits? With the help of the simple mathematics to determine the number of information bits only. So the formula for TC is P of n minus k, and TR is equal to P into n only. The ratio of TC by TR is equal to P of n minus k by Pn and n minus k by n. So n by n minus k by n, 1 minus k by n is the ratio of TC by TR only. So k by n is equal to code rate. So the code rate is defined as the ratio of number of information bits divided by total length of the code word is called as a code rate only. So TC by TR equal to 1 minus k by n. like K by N is equal to R. It is called as a code rate, or R is equal to 1 minus TC by TR. So this is one of the formula for finding like number of information bits maybe N has given or maybe K has given. How to determine other values means with the help of this mathematics to determine the whatever has given, and the left of the values can be determined. And there are two different types of LDPC codes, so it is not exactly types only. Just this is one type of LDPC, this is another type of LDPC only. Basically regular LDPC codes and irregular LDPC codes. In the regular LDPC codes, an LDPC code is regular, whether it is a regular LDPC or irregular LDPC code. How to determine means with the help of the parity check matrix only. It is easy to identify the given parity check matrix is a regular LDPC or irregular LDPC. Sometimes maybe parity check matrix is not given. How to developing or how to generating the parity check matrix also. After finishing my lecture, I will show you some examples. How to generate or develop the parity check matrix. Suppose if it is directly given for the parity check matrix, it is easy to identify whether it is a regular LDPC or irregular LDPC codes only. An LDPC code is regular if the rows and columns of parity check matrix has uniform weight. First of all, what is LDPC means? The rows and columns of parity check matrix have uniform weight. Suppose in column, the first column contains 2 number of ones. Second column is also contains 2 number of ones. Third column is also contains 2 number of ones. Even in the rows also. Suppose the first row contains 3 number of ones. And second, just example for 2 number of ones and 3 number of ones only. It is depends on the length of the code word. So first row contains 2 number of ones. And the second row contains 2 number of ones. And third row contains 2 number of ones. Equal number of ones in each column and each row is called as, or uniform weight of each row and column in parity check matrix is called as a regular LDPC code. So all rows have the same number of ones and all columns have the same number of ones. It is not same number of ones in columns and rows. Suppose first column 2 number of ones and the first row is also, it is not exactly 2 number of ones. All column ones are same, all row number of ones are same. It is not same for columns and rows only. So that is the regular type LDPC code. Exactly the reverse operation. Like reverse means if the rows and columns have non-uniform weight. So such type of parity check matrix is called as irregular LDPC codes. So this is tend to outperform turbo codes for a block length of about n is greater than 10 power 5 only. Length of the code word is for n.